Hey, how's it going? So today I'm going to be looking at this wood burning kit that I found. I thought it might be a fun project to do because I've never done it before. So I got this kit at like Sam's Club or something. I don't remember. But it looked pretty fun. So here we go. Oh, and just ignore my band-aid. I'm sorry about that if that's distracting. But yeah, it looks like it comes with a lot of different stuff. It comes with some projects, and it comes with some watercolors to paint the wood after, and some stencils, and then a whole bunch of different tips. So that'll be fun to play around with. Alright, let's get this thing out. Let's see what we have here exactly. So here's everything that comes with the kit. It comes with the wood burning tool with a whole bunch of different tips to switch it out with. And they just twist off, it looks like. And it has a cord, which might be kind of annoying, so we're gonna see how that goes. Here's all the different tips it comes with. So a whole bunch of different sizes and styles, so that should be interesting. And then it comes just with some basic pencils. And then also some paint brushes for the watercolors. And it comes with a whole bunch of different wood pieces, and then some watercolors, some of which are metallic, which I'm very curious about, so we're gonna have to see how those work. And then it also comes with this thing, I'm not sure exactly what that is. And then some carbon paper to do the tracing with, and then like just a word stencil thingy that I probably will never use. And then it comes with these different designs. So I'm gonna pick one of these patterns just to start off with, and I think I'll do this one because I like it. It seems pretty. It's got lots of plants and stuff. Alright, so let's get started. So here's our wood piece. Which side do I want to use? Yeah, this side? This side. And then I'm gonna just grab a little towel to put the thingy on. Oh, and I figured out what that metal thing was. It's a stand. But I'm just gonna put the hot pieces in this little metal container later on. And then I'm just gonna start tracing with the carbon paper. So I'm just gonna put this under here and then tape it down. And then, yeah, just trace it all, which might be kind of boring for you. So I think I'm just gonna skip past that. So here we go. It's all traced now. Oh, and this is the tip that I'm gonna be starting with. So I let the tip heat up for a good while until it's kind of changed colors, so hopefully it's hot enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the wood burning, which I was so nervous. When I first touched it down, it made a sizzling noise, and that kind of scared me a bit. And then there's also smoke, so I was a little nervous, but I think it went pretty well. But yeah, it was really fun. It kind of just like glided? Is that a word? I don't know, it is now. It glided across the wood, and it was really nice and easy. Sometimes if you like put too much pressure on it, it would like burn deeper into the wood and make it a little more difficult, but it was really fun to use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish, doing the banner. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this like chisel piece to do like the banner. It looks like it would be a nice straight edge for that. Then I went ahead and switched out my piece to a more detailed tip for the leaves and stuff. The detail tip was a lot easier to do, well, the detail parts obviously. There's lots of little fun details to do with the leaves and stuff. I liked this quote, "Not all who wander are lost," because I tend to wander and get distracted a lot. So I felt like it was pretty fitting for me. This is a pretty fun tool to use. It worked really well. The cord was a little bit annoying, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, so that's good. Yeah, it worked pretty well. And there wasn't too much of a learning curve too. It was pretty easy, just kind of like using a pencil that was super hot and that you can touch. Luckily, I don't think I burned myself at all, which is very impressive for me, because that's definitely something I would do. Now I'm gonna start on the words, which again is just nice and easy. I really enjoyed this. It was a fun process. It was really relaxing to just kind of follow a pattern and, Here's the part where I realized there's no R on the wander. Somehow I forgot to write that in, so here I am just pulling out the paper that I crumpled and put in the trash. And just filling that in and doing that real quick off camera. Sorry about that, I'm sure that annoyed so many of you. But yeah, now I'm just gonna try out these watercolors and paint for a bit. But I am just gonna copy what they did on the box, just because I don't know, I just want to do one project that's like they did on the box so that I can really test out everything. So I started off with a blue for the banner and then just doing some yellow on the outside. The watercolors were nice, like for adding color, but they kind of got really pigmented in the wood burning itself, and it was hard to get rid of that later. So that was kind of annoying, that made it all cloudy. So I don't know, but they worked pretty well. It was nice to be able to add some color to the wood burning, but also I think it looks nice just as it is too. So just kind of depends on what you want to do. Yeah, like I said, I just followed the box for this, so they just used the blue and yellow in the banner itself, and then purple on the bottom, and then different greens and stuff for the plants. Yeah, I think it looks pretty. And they did orange for the background, which I thought was kind of interesting, but it looks pretty good, so I'm alright with it. So here's the finished piece. I think it looks really cute. I think I might have chosen different colors than what they did on the box because it kind of looks a little muddy and dark, but I still think it turned out really nice, and I like this kit a lot. It seems very nice. I can't think of another word. It's very cool. Yeah, it was really fun it was really fun being able to do some wood burning and stuff, so I really liked it. It was good. I was a little nervous at first, but I think it turned out pretty good. Alright, on to the next project. So I found this box at like the dollar store, so it was really cheap, and I thought it might be fun to do some wood burning on it. So I just drew a sketch on it of some like flowers and stuff that I thought might look cool. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the tip I'm using here is a different detail one than what I was using before. This box is kind of small, so I thought it would be good to have a pretty fine point. So on the top, I did kind of like a marigold flower. I love drawing those, they're quite fun. But just basically a flower with a whole bunch of different petals. Yeah, on the front, I just did some more vines, and then a little flower. Which my vines are kind of crooked, but that's okay. Are these vines? I don't know, like little sprigs? Is sprigs a word? Little plants. I don't even know what kind of plants these are, but that's okay. They were on the other one. I liked them, so now they're here. I did notice, so this is a different type of wood, obviously, than what came in the kit, and it's a cheaper wood, I would assume. So it was a lot easier to burn deeper into the wood, which was kind of annoying sometimes, but it still worked pretty well. On the sides, I just did these little flowers and some little leaves. And then on the back, I just did some little leaves like this and called it good. So now I'm going to paint it with the watercolors again. But first I'm going to erase my sketch with a little eraser, so I don't want that showing up. So I decided to use the metallic paints on this one because I didn't get to use them last time. And these were especially annoying with the getting into the grooves and covering them up, but you know, it's alright. So I did all of the leaves with the metallic green, and then the flower on top I just did with pink, and then I did little bits of red in there to make it a little bit of a deeper pink. And then I just did a purple on the outside, and then for the bottom flower I did a metallic purple, and same for these ones on the side. And then I just did a little bit of pink on the top of these flowers just to give it a little more contrast. So here's the finished box. I think it's really cute. I like it a lot. This is a fun way of customizing it instead of just painting it, but actually being able to do the wood burning on it. And I think it turned out really nice. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for though, but I'll find a use for it, I'm sure. When did that little flower at the top get there? I don't remember doing that until seeing it now. Like above the hinge there? I don't know. It's there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is this little wood. It said it was like a coaster, but I thought it would be really fun to do like a little wood burning on this. I thought it was really cute, just a little wood round. So I'm just gonna take this tag off real quick. And I thought it might be fun to just follow like the rounds of the wood, the rings. They're called rings. I thought it might be fun to just follow the rings of the wood and do a little pattern thingy, I guess a Zentangle, if you will. So with my sketch, I kind of followed the rings of the wood, and then just did patterns in between them. She kind of got a little crazy, but you know, that's okay. Probably should have done some more darker areas than having it so detailed, but I still think it looks nice. And I decided not to paint this one. I thought it looked nice with just the wood burning in it. With the wood burning on it? With the wood burning on it. But yeah, here's my finished little coaster. I think it turned out really nice. I like it. It's kind of fun. Like I said a little bit earlier, I think that it's a little too detailed and should have been some more like, you know, just plain areas in it. But I still like it. A little chaos is okay every once in a while. Up close it doesn't look as crazy as it does from far away too, so that's good. Kind of looks like a spider web in a way. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really liked this kit. It was really fun to mess around with and just have a good time. And I think I got some pretty cool projects out of it. Yeah, I liked it a lot. So if you see this kit, recommend you buy it. It was very, very fun. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!